This video from the Famous Personalities series is about William of Ockham. William of Ockham was born around 1287 in Ockham, a village in England. He became a Franciscan friar, which was a religious order focused on living simply and helping the poor. His early education took place at the University of Oxford, where he studied philosophy and theology. Ockham's upbringing and studies greatly influenced his later thoughts and writings. Ockham is best known for his contributions to philosophy and logic. He emphasized the importance of simplicity in explaining things, which is often referred to as Ockham's razor. This principle suggests that the simplest explanation is usually the best one. Ockham applied this idea to various subjects, including science and theology. Ockham's razor is a famous problem-solving principle attributed to William of Ockham. It states that one should not make unnecessary assumptions when explaining something. The idea promotes using the simplest explanation with the fewest assumptions. This principle is still used in various fields today, including science and philosophy. In addition to his work in philosophy, Ockham made significant contributions to theology. He argued that faith and reason are both important in understanding God and religious truths. Ockham believed that God's will is not bound by human understanding. This idea challenged some traditional views of the time. Ockham's ideas often brought him into conflict with the Catholic Church. He questioned the Church's authority and its teachings on certain issues. His views led to accusations of heresy, which is the rejection of accepted beliefs. Ockham eventually left England and spent much of his life in exile. Ockham also explored political philosophy, discussing the nature of government and authority. He believed that the state should serve the common good and that rulers should be held accountable. Ockham argued for the idea of popular consent, suggesting that a government should reflect the will of the people. His thoughts on governance influenced later political thinkers. William of Ockham spent much of his later life in Italy, particularly in the city of Munich. He continued to write and teach, elaborating on his philosophical and theological ideas. Ockham's works were widely read and debated by scholars of his time. He died around 1347, leaving a lasting impact on philosophy and theology. Ockham's ideas have had a significant influence on both philosophy and science. His emphasis on simplicity has shaped the way scholars approach problems and questions. Many modern thinkers regard him as one of the fathers of modern philosophy. Ockham's legacy continues to be studied and appreciated today. William of Ockham's principles have also impacted the field of science. His insistence on simplicity and clarity in explanations is reflected in the scientific method. Scientists often seek the simplest theories that can explain complex phenomena. Ockham's ideas have encouraged critical thinking and skepticism, which are essential in scientific inquiry.